February is Restoring the Pride Month. Join the Pitons Management Area Office, Minister Dr. Honorable Gail Rigobert, and the Department of Sustainable Development as we present a program of activities under the banner Restoring the Pride. February 1st, address by Dr. Honorable Gail Rigobert and official launch of theme song and music video Restoring the Pride by Arthur Allen. February 14th, drama skit by Sufre Action Theatre, Kote Nusoti, Kote Nukale. Remarks by Permanent Secretary of the Department of Sustainable Development and Solidarity Messages. February 18th, unveiling of PMA Welcome Sign and launch of PMA Support Group. February 24th, launch of PMA World Heritage Tour concept and launch of PMA Fashion Week concept. Follow the PMA Restoring the Pride virtual campaign on NTN at 9 p.m. nightly, Calabash TV, and on social media platforms. Visit our Instagram page for activities and like our Facebook page for updates. Prizes to be won throughout the month. Let's rediscover ourselves. Let us restore the pride of the PMA as a World Heritage Site.